Hello and welcome to Batteries, Models and Transport. So last Sunday I bought the wood to make the 1 meter by 90 centimeters small layout, and now I'm actually getting around to doing the job. So I had the plywood board cut in two parts to make it carrying it up the stairs easier, because we live on the first floor, and also putting it in the boot of the car easier. And now I'm joining it together on these two runners here, and then I'll have another two which I'll have to cut to size so that there will be no warping on this board here. Plus I've got a piece of thin plywood from the clippings, cheap bit, which this will be the top, of course, and the bit of thin plywood will be glued on with PVA glue underneath, so that there's no movement after once this is all screwed and glued together. So now I've made the holes in the plywood. I've also prepared the holes in the wooden profile so that it doesn't split. And now I'm just going to fit this on, and using the screwdriver machine I'll pull it tight, and I'll tighten it by hand. I'll actually use the normal screwdriver just to do the final tightening. Okay, so here we go. Here's all the screws. You can see there's a fine selection here, these ones. So there won't be any warping in this case here. The plywood is a little bit thicker than the Brunel layout, which is there behind the door. So it's a little bit, the boards are a bit heavier, but being smaller I can put more wood on them. And okay, right, I'm getting on with the job. Cheerio, and see you next time.